Guys, welcome to my channel. Hello to my new subscribers and to my whole subscribers. Thank you so much for the love. To the mommies in the house, shout out to you. Today I'll be showing you guys what I used to grow my children's hair. My first child had about sorry about the noise. There's a church close to my house, so and this is Nigeria. There's nothing we can do about that. Anyways, my first child had about, I don't know, scalp or something. Her hair, she lost a huge part of her hair when she was younger, and this was why I used to grow her hair in less than 6 months. I made a video about that. You can check the channel if you want to watch that video, how I went about it. So these are the oils I use, and I just want to show you guys how I mixed the oil and what I used. So in here I have my melted shea butter. This was melted a few minutes ago. It's still a little warm. And in here I have my castor oil, black Jamaican castor oil. I got this from Afriganics. And then this is my aloe vera juice, and also this is my Afriganic hair oil. I use this most alone with aloe vera when I think alone with aloe vera and shea butter when I wanted to grow my first child hair. I used to get their product, and trust me guys, their product is nice. This is not their pack actually. I just have this here as a portion out of which I want to use a little, so you can check our website. I think she has an Instagram page, so you can order from her. Her products are very nice. She has shampoo, she has all this natural stuff you can use to grow your kids hair and even for your own hair. So today I will just be showing you what I do. I just go the extra mile to add extra, and then this is what I do. I just do a mixture of all this. This is my aloe vera juice, so I'm just going to pour everything in there. The issue with pouring aloe vera in your oil is that aloe vera doesn't mix with oil. No matter how much you mix it, it's maybe because it's gelatinous, if I'm right, I don't know, it just doesn't mix with oil well. But for me, I don't care, because it's not the mixture I want, it's the result I want. So I just put it in there anyway. So I just try to mix as much as I can mix. Sometimes there's another method I use. Sometimes when I'm melting my oil, I just put the aloe vera chops. I chop it and then I just put it in the oil and then allow it to fry. I did that when I was growing my daughter's hair. And this is castor oil. I won't be using everything because I'm just going to this should be enough. I'm going to mix this again, and then a little out of our oil. This oil I'm holding contains 7 different natural oils, so I'm just going to be putting in no particular amounts. I'm just going to be putting some till I'm comfortable with it, and that should be okay. And then I'm just going to mix and mix. As you can see, the aloe vera is not mixing well, but after a day or two, the aloe vera becomes like water like. That way you can always mix it every time you want to use it. My own thing is, as long as it works, I'm going to use it. So this is my mixture, so I'm just going to leave this. I'm going to allow it cool, and then I apply it to my daughter's hair every day, especially the bald parts of her hair. And I can also use this for myself, but because most times I concentrate on their hair a lot, I tend to use it for them alone. So this is my mixture, guys, and this is what it looks like. I'll just allow it to chill. So guys, please check out our page. This is not a paid promo advert, but it's just that I've used our products and I can testify that our products are nice, so you can check out Afriganics. Guys, see you in my next video. Love you guys. Please subscribe, share and like, and comment in the comment section if you are going to use this. If you like this video, please also comment in the section, and if you need any help concerning this video, please chat me up. Thank you so much. God bless you guys. See you in my next one. Bye.